Massive breaking news coming out of Arizona aimed specifically at Governor Cartel Katie Hobbs is what they call her. This comes from the Arizona House of Representatives Speaker Steve Montenegro, who says this: documents and messages cited by the Arizona Republic show that Sunshine Residential Homes, which is a group home, foster care type thing, received 30% in rate increases worth millions after donating, they say, $400,000 to Governor Hobbs and to the state Democratic Party. The advisory team will lead a legislative investigation to gather facts, coordinate with ongoing law enforcement inquiries, and recommend House actions. And this comes on the heels of something else that just came about. The Senate president in Arizona, Warren Peterson, who says this: disturbing allegations, he says, are being made that Hobbs and Mays, Kristen Mays, who's the attorney general in Arizona, the two most powerful elected officials in the state, committed impeachable offenses. Impeachment is done by the House and conviction by the Senate. Should the House impeach, the Senate will hold the trial. We will not tolerate corruption. And I will say this: there are so many people on the inside of these departments, whether it be Department of Child Safety, whether it be the Department of Economic Security, and in all the various departments, these whistleblowers are beginning to come forward and have been coming forward for quite some time. All this corruption, illegal activity that's taking place, because with inside a lot of these departments, they have what's called collaborative agreement partnerships, which are basically business contracts. The federal government gives them money with inside these state agencies like these inside of Arizona, and these agencies then reach out to places like judges, superior court systems, sheriff's departments, other agencies, even the attorney general's office, and they connect with them to give them money as their collaborative partnership agreements. And they give them money for reimbursements, for handling certain things for them. They give them bonus incentives. They give them all these kickbacks and different things. And there's a bonus pool. For instance, with one of the departments, there is specifically a Dear Colleague letter that comes from the federal government to these agencies like such inside of Arizona, which gave them in 2025 a $735 million bonus incentive pool for doing business in this business agreement. So they're not a federal agency acting on behalf of the people. They're trying to collect money. And so they'll do anything by any means necessary, including conflict of interest, illegal behavior, etc., to garner this cash. And now all of this is being exposed. These whistleblowers are coming forward. You have no idea the mass amounts of documents and information that is about to pour out and be laid and exposed for the entire public to see. And what's happening in Arizona is going to set a precedent for the entire country. I'm talking about corrupt judges. I'm talking about attorney generals. I'm talking about so many others inside of these departments who have been colluding, lying, hiding. It's all about to be spotlighted, and it's going to be glorious. So I got to quickly say thank you, Warren Peterson. Thank you, Andy Biggs, and those who have been working hard relentlessly, because I know once Andy comes in as governor, it's game over.